So now we have our users, our courses, and enrollments. Users can enroll to courses and leave a review and a rating. And now we are going to make a calculation for the average rating of a course, so that when we see our courses, we'll see what is the average rating of this course. Now for this, we're going to add a new field. It's going to be average rating, and the type of the field is going to be float. So we are creating the migration. Add average rating to courses. Okay, it's going to be a float. Let's see the migration when it's created. Okay, it's got to be here on the bottom. Okay, and now we're going to add some defaults to it. So we're going to write that default is 0.0, and this field cannot be null. So the rating cannot be absent. And when we make this migration, it will automatically set the rating of all the courses to 0. Now let's run the migration. Okay, and now if we go to our schema and go to our courses, we will see the average rating added. Okay, now we're going to make the calculation of the average rating work. Now, how are we going to do it? How are we going to calculate the average rating? So the rating is going to change whenever a user leaves a review. So whenever a user changes the rating or adds a rating. Okay, so first we're going to our enrollment.rb. And here we're going to create a method so that after the enrollment is saved, the rating will be updated in the course. So after save, we are going to update the course rating. So it will be something like course.update rating. And next we're going to write the course update rating. We're going to have an end here. And we're going to update the rating only if there actually is a rating present in the enrollment. So we're not going to do it just when an enrollment is created, only when an enrollment is updated for creating a rating, meaning that only when a person clicks pending review. Now we don't have our server running. Let's run our server. Yes, so only when a user clicks the review button and he's prompted to create a review like this, and he updates it, so he actually leaves a review, then this field is going to be updated in the course. So after save, unless the rating is nil or the rating is 0. Unless it is like this. I mean, we didn't have to add this, but I assume that our app is going to work a bit faster if we don't update the course rating absolutely each time a new enrollment is created. This way, we are going to update the rating only when actually a course is rated. Okay, and also we're going to update the rating if an enrollment is destroyed. We are not going to leave the rating same if the enrollment with a rating was destroyed and the rating isn't the same anymore. So also it's going to be an after destroy method. Do. We're going to also run the course update rating. So we're going to copy this code, paste it here. Okay. Now let's go and write the course update rating method. So let's copy it and go to course.rb. So we're going to write the method here, def update rating. And in this update rating, what are we going to have? Now we're going to update the rating for a course if it has any subscriptions. First rule. So if subscription any, I mean, if enrollment any. Okay, and we're going to also do it only if there are enrollments that actually have a rating. So if enrollment were not rating nil. So if these two conditions are met, we're going to update the average rating. So we're going to write something like update column method. We're going to update the average rating column. And we're going to calculate it by actually calculating the average of the subscription ratings. So enrollment. We're going to take the average on the rating field, and then we're going to round it. We're not going to make it like multi-digit. We're going to have like 2.7, 3.4. So we'll need only 2 digits. And we're going to do it to float because we've selected the float data type for this column. So to float. Okay, these are the conditions if there are any enrollments and there are any enrollments that actually have a rating, and otherwise we are going to actually have something to nullify the rating of the course. So we'll do something like update rating, and it's just going to be a 0 here. Okay, now I wonder if it's gonna work. So let's add an average rating field to our course view. So course.html.haml. And somewhere here, let's see where we have our courses. Okay, let's for now create one more code. And we will add something like text danger, no, warning. Text warning, font awesome star, just for some styling. Do we have it visible? No, we don't. Oh, okay, I wrote start, not star. So star, and here we're going to have the course average rating. Okay, so now we have an average rating field, and let's try changing it. So here is a review that we created. Let's change the rating. Okay, there is no local variable of enrollment. Of course, because we should have said enrollments, because course has many enrollments, not has many enrollment. So once again, go in here, if enrollments any or enrollments where. Let's refresh. Okay, we've changed the rating, and let's see if it has changed for the course. Yeah, now the course has 4-star rating. Good. Now let's try rating the course from another user, or actually before this, we are going to first try deleting the enrollment. So let's delete the enrollment. Let's see if the course rating has changed. It was this course 3, and it has rating 0 because it hasn't been rated yet. Now let's join the course once again, write a review, give it 5 stars. Okay, and let's do it from another user. Let's see what users we have. We're going to use this example to user, or actually the student. Let's take this one. I'll just copy this email, log in from this user. Let's find this course 3. So it has 5-star rating. Let's buy it. Okay, and let's leave a review. So we're going to leave a, let's say, 2-star review. And let's see the total rating of the course, whether it has changed. So it is 3.5. That is actually accurate. So in this lesson, we've added the average rating calculation for our courses. Thank you.